G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are looking specifically at this one, the Rough Rider Purple Swirl, and it's a mini canoe. The number is RR2151. Okay, it comes in this beautiful little magnetic box like always with a little cutout. Rough Rider. Always high quality handmade pocket knives. Okay, sorry, there was a car at the gate. Yes, let's look at what I want to show you first. This is the Purple Swirl mini canoe. We have a big R on the bolster, nickel brass, beautiful brass liners, and then this swirly acrylic with the purple colors. Not a very bright purple, but I kind of prefer it that way. We have threads or rings on the bolsters. We have little pinches. Very, very nice. And then the canoe pattern. Okay, now, like all canoes, it's got a big spear point blade, and it also has a little pen blade. Quite a nice snap on the little pen blade. A bit of a lazy snap on the big one, but maybe a 4 pull. Okay, we have a long match strike pull over there, or a long pull, and then we have a swedge at the tip. Do you see that? Very nice, and a near mirror polish on the blade. Very, very cool little thing. Okay, now, let me show you a few of my other favorite canoes. Okay, so this one I actually carry, and this is the Magician's Rough Rider Magician Canoe. Do you see that? Okay, so it's got different color scales on it. Very nice. I did do videos on all of these other ones, so go check them out. Let's just pack them. Let's pack them like this. Okay, so there we have the Magician's Canoe. Then I have this Freemason canoe. Beautiful blue bone on this one. That one is also bone. Okay. And then we put that one there. And then this one I truly love. This is a little buck. Okay, and this is the Buck 389. And then we have the year there. I cannot remember. I think that was like 2022 or 3 maybe. Anyway, there we have the Buck canoe. And then this is a Remington the Sportsman series canoe. Beautiful. Okay, and you can see they're all the same size, and it's the normal standard canoe pattern. Then I have this little guy, which is quite cool. This is the Black Cherry Bone by Rough Rider, and it's a little lockback canoe. Okay, so we have a little spy blade instead of the normal pen blade, and then we have the master blade, but you see it's quite a bit smaller than the other ones. And then this little guy, which is new and my first and only mini canoe, and it's even smaller than that one. Okay, so that's very cool. Purple Swirl. Okay, quick little video because I did not get around to making videos yesterday or the day before, actually, because today's Sunday. So thank you for watching canoe knife things with me. All of you, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Oh, when I carry mine, I carry them in this little Rough Rider slip. So it's an awesome way of just dropping it in your pocket and saving it from scratches. Goodbye.